Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki, and today in this video we'll be talking about how to create a cool website in 2024 without the need to learn coding. Now in this video I will be sharing all the platforms that I have personally used to create a bunch of websites. With just one video you will be able to create a website of any type. Apart from this, in this video itself I will be talking about hosting those websites as well. So the entire process of creating the website to hosting it, everything is covered in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end because the hosting part is going to surprise you for sure. Okay, so over here I've listed all the different platforms along with hosting as well. I will be going through each one of them and tell you the pros and cons of them all because I've used almost every one of them. So let's go over to the platforms and let's see the first one. I think you might be familiar with WordPress already if you've created websites or if you are going to create one. WordPress is pretty popular and you can get templates for WordPress quite easily. Now if you're just starting off and if you've never created a website before, then WordPress might be a bit complicated to you to start off with. So I would highly recommend you guys to first take a template of WordPress and then work on it. Now I will be sharing this entire document with you guys, so the link will be down in the description box as well as in the pinned comment, so go check it out. But WordPress, I've given it 4 out of 5 stars because it is a bit complicated for the starters. Now let's move over to Webflow. Now Webflow is very good when you have to create complex 3D level designs. Most of the 3D animated websites that you see over the internet are created using Webflow. It is the best tool if you're a designer because Webflow integrates with almost all designing platforms along with integrating with 3D animation related assets as well. So if you're using Spline or any of these 3D mockup generators, then you might be able to use it directly on your website using Webflow. Now, although these platforms help you in developing the websites, you also need to host it on some platform. So for that, you need a hosting platform like AltaHost or any other. Now, I will be talking in detail about AltaHost and how to host your websites over there. But let's move forward on the list of platforms where you can develop your website. Next up on the list, we have Carrd. Now Carrd is something that I got to know about when I was just scrolling through Twitter. This is one of those platforms if you want to get your website up and running within just 5 to 10 minutes, then Carrd is the best platform for it. With Carrd, it's very simple, it's user friendly, and it's best for one-page websites, especially for portfolio websites. If you want to showcase your portfolio, if you want to showcase your resume in a website, then Carrd is the best website builder out there. But the reason I've given only 2 stars to Carrd is because of its limited customization and limited integrations. If you're thinking of launching a website which has payment gateways, which has different products, if you want to do a lot of different things like launching an e-commerce website, then Carrd is not the website builder to go to. Of course, the websites that you build using Carrd are fully responsive. So what it means is it will redesign itself or restructure the entire website on phones as well as on desktop. So it will be responsive on all screens. Now, apart from Carrd, we have Tilda. Now this is one of those website builders that maybe you might not have heard about. Tilda is a website builder that I recently got to know about. It is great for small websites as well as landing pages. If you're building just static websites, then Tilda is great for you. But if you're switching over to dynamic websites are where the data changes according to the user. So there might be authentication, there might be e-commerce, there might be different things, right? So if you're building such type of websites, then Tilda might not be the best one for you. We'll be moving over to the next ones, so stay tuned for them. So that's why I have given it 3 out of 5 stars. Now the next one is SuperX Notion. It's my favorite website builder. In fact, I've created multiple websites on Super. Even this particular document that you see is created on Notion. So if I want this as a website and I wanted to share the link to you guys, then I can do it easily using Super. Although Notion provides you with a shareability option where you can just publish it to web and you will get a link, but then it does not look that appealing. So that's where Super comes in and it helps you redesign the entire website. It helps you with SEO. It helps you with a bunch of different things. So yes, Super is my go-to platform if I want to create a website very fast. Next up, we have Quarkly. So This is something that I recently got to know about. I think it's still in beta phase and I might be the first YouTuber even making a video about it. This platform helps you in even getting the React.js code of the entire website. Yes, if you are a developer, this is the best platform for you. So you have drag and drop options, so you can directly just use the interface and create websites on Go. But apart from that, if you're a developer like me who wants to code the website as well, who does not just want to rely on drag and drop options, then this is best for you. But of course, with so many customization options and even giving you the option to edit the code, this becomes a bit complicated for non-developers. So if you don't know anything about development, if you don't know anything about coding, then this might be a bit complicated for you to get your hands on. So if you're just starting out, Quarkly might not be the best platform to start off with. So now that you have an entire overview of all the platforms that you can create your website on, the next thing that we can go over is hosting. Now there are a bunch of hosting providers and I have just given you one option out of them all, which is the best out of them. AltaHost has kindly sponsored this video as well, and I'll tell you a bit more about AltaHost. You can use the link in my description or even in the pinned comments to go on altahost.com and register right now, and you can host all types of websites over here. You can even host your WordPress websites here. Now the best thing that I loved about AltaHost is that it also gives you this shared starter option where you can host websites on a shared server. Apart from this, they also provide you with the option of adding a custom domain. You can have more than 10,000 visits every month, and there are free SSL certificates. So SSL certificate is basically used in order to get the HTTPS in your domain. Otherwise, all of your websites will have a warning. So whenever a customer or a visitor comes on your website, they will see a danger pop up whenever they visit the website. So SSL certificates are very important on your website. Now, apart from this, if you have already hosted your WordPress websites on any other hosting providers, you can directly just migrate it over to AltaHost, pay lesser amount and get better services over here. And if at any time, if you don't like the services provided by AltaHost, they also have a money back guarantee because they are so sure about their services. So yes, do check out AltaHost, and if you like this video, then do press the like button, do share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this video and which platform will you be using in order to create your brand new website.